Ready to ride the Memecoin rocket to the moon, or get rugged faster than you can say win Lambo? First up, Photon. Known for its lightning-fast execution and slippage control, Photon aims to front-run the bots and secure your trade start by connecting your wallet to the Photon platform. Then, input the contract address of the Memecoin you want to trade and configure your buy or sell settings, paying close attention to gas fees and slippage tolerance to avoid getting wrecked by price volatility. Next, Trojan offers multi-wallet support and customizable trading strategies, giving you more control over your trades. Connect multiple wallets and diversify your risk. Create a custom trading strategy by setting entry and exit points based on technical indicators or price targets. Trojan's detailed analytics provide insights into your bot's performance, helping you refine your strategy and optimize your returns. Finally, Bullx, with its user-friendly interface and beginner-friendly presets, is a great option for newcomers. Connect your wallet to the Bullx platform and select a pre-built trading strategy or customize your own. Bullx simplifies the process with clear explanations and community support, making it easier to navigate the volatile Memecoin market. So, which bot reigns supreme? Photon shines with speed, Trojan offers ultimate control, and Bullx prioritizes ease of use. Ultimately, the best bot depends on your experience level and trading style. Remember to always do your own research, manage your risk, and never invest more than you can afford to lose in the wild world of Memecoins.